Oh wow,
right,
guys, how you doing?
Pine straws on top of the roof.
Man, what a day! What a day! What a day!
A few months ago, we did have some hail.
Looking for my
Notice this here?
headphone.
Some hail had skipped off a lot of these shingles around here. All around here. Only on this side of the house, really. A lot of hail had kind of skipped off like these here.
What I would pretty much want to say
on this side here
is that
all replaced here.
when you're dealing with real estate,
Right,
guys, when you're buying properties, you want to keep insurance on these properties.
It just damages the shingles.
Sometimes when I'm buying a lot of sub-2 properties, we keep the insurance on the property, and we change everything else up, and we get on the insurance, additional insurance. We keep the seller's name on that insurance because we have to. Because when things happen, they happen. Today,
look at the roof here.
I'm gonna say this here.
Absolutely,
I was able to get a check here. Big fat check here.
We replaced those
for
no soft spots here.
$7,000. I think $6,100 here on a property here that needs a roof put on the house. Now, we didn't need a roof put on this house.
This side over here, looks like the hail just fell on that side.
Everything was all good, all ready to go.
Looks good.
Until we had a storm.
Everything looks real good. So
a couple of months
what
back.
we're gonna do?
So we had a storm a couple of months back.
Shingles here,
and
all these shingles here that got scuffed up by the hail damage, which is just shingles that when the hail was coming down, it just scuffed them up.
So this room, this roof actually looked pretty good.
Roof here.
There was no problems with it.
Thank you so much.
As you can see now, it doesn't look like it's anything wrong with the roof, but on the back side of the roof, it got beat up pretty bad from the shingles. So us picking up this house, sub-2, we said we may need the insurance or we may not need the insurance. But regardless of what, I always make sure I keep everything in place because sometime I know you're gonna need the insurance. So today, it was a good day because I got the insurance people to come out here maybe about a week and a half ago, and the adjuster said, yep, you're gonna need a new roof. And that's what we stand at now, needing a new roof. And I was mad, I was upset. I said, new roof, no way. I said, okay, that's why we got insurance. So this roof here behind me is gonna get replaced. And we're gonna get the guys out here to replace this roof ASAP. And I need it replaced now. And by the grace of God, keeping insurance on the house, paying everything that needs to be paid for a property, when things happen like this, you don't get screwed.
All right, we got a little pine straws on top of the roof, which is pretty normal. We're gonna walk the roof here. A few months ago, we did have some hail. You notice this here? Some hail had skipped off a lot of these shingles around here. All around here. Only on this side of the house, really. A lot of hail had kind of skipped off like these here. These shingles here on this side here can be all replaced here. Right here in this spot here. This is where the hail had hit the roof and just damaged the shingles. This roof is 4 years old, good and stable. Even walking this side here, roof is in excellent shape. We got absolutely no leaks besides some pine straws that need to be brushed off. This roof looks nice. Here on the other end as well, looking at the roof here, absolutely no bad spots on the roof besides that over there that we need to replace those shingles. No soft spots here. Walking the whole entire roof here, which looks good. Like I said, this roof was replaced in 2020. Again, there's no hail damage on none of this side over here. Looks like the hail just fell on that side. There's no hail damage nowhere. All the boots looks good. Everything looks real good. So what we're looking to do is change all these shingles here. All these shingles here that got scuffed up by the hail damage, which is just shingles that, I mean, when the hail was coming down, it just scuffed them up. And that's a pretty easy fix. But besides that, we got a pretty good sound, strong roof here. All right, thank you so much.
And man, I'm telling you, it came to play. Also, we're gonna use a little bit of that money to fix a little slight foundation on the property, which I guess within the last 4 or 5 months it happened. There's a little bit of movement of the property right here. So we're gonna go in and take care of that as well. See that right there? Yeah, we gotta go in and take care of that. Hey guys, here in this real estate game, I take care of people. I don't shortcut no one. I make sure I do exactly what I'm supposed to do, because people buying your properties want to know that if it's Poppa Homes, then they know that they're getting a solid property. They want to know that they're getting something that's up to value. I mean, everything's been checked out. AC unit, you know, electrical, all these things been checked out. So today coming here, getting that check in the mail means a whole lot. So when you guys are buying houses, do me a favor. Do me a favor, make sure that you know what insurance you guys have. And the insurance you have on the property can make or break the deal, okay? Any insurance on the property can make or break the deal. So as you're looking around, you want to see, make sure you got flood insurance, fire insurance, and make sure that roof is covered, because small things will happen. And when these small things happen, you should be able to call the insurance company to get it done. Man, this is beautiful, guys, beautiful. We're gonna close out on this house next week. And you know what? Man, someone's gonna get a beautiful property. So what I want you guys to do is pretty much take advantage of this real estate stuff, okay? Do the things you have to do to be successful. Don't screw people in this industry. Be honest. If the numbers don't make sense, you gotta get the house for a better price to fix those things in that house. You know what I mean? If you need an extra $5,000 or $6,000, hey, instead of paying $90,000, you're gonna have to pay $85,000. Hey, you might gonna have to come down to $80,000. You gotta negotiate, because at the end of the rainbow, when you try to go sell that property, you're gonna deal with these issues. You're gonna deal with these problems, okay? So at the end of the day, you don't wanna have to deal with these problems. You want to be able to get in there, do this house the correct way, because you bought it the correct way, and give people a good product. But if you don't do that, then it's gonna run up on you. Like here, if I didn't do the correct things, making sure we had insurance on the house, make sure everything was still in place, that $70,000 would have came out of our pocket. But now we get the insurance people to pay for it. Now we all good and we're ready to go, guys. So hey, it's a blessed day. So look, do me a favor, guys. I'm making a lot of these videos. Click that bell notification, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, and please like and share the videos, man, and subscribe. I'm trying to move this YouTube channel up to 1 million subscribers, which is almost impossible, but I'm gonna try. I'm doing these videos just for you guys, educate you guys, and I'm gonna be doing more videos on insurance here soon, meaning breaking down how you need to do your insurance when it comes to sub-tools or properties that you're flipping. You guys have a blessed day. I'm out. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today.